A CNC machine, short for Computer Numerical Control Machine, is one of the most advanced tools used in modern woodworking and manufacturing industries. It uses computer programming to control cutting tools and machinery with high precision and accuracy. In traditional woodworking, every cut and shape depends on manual effort, but with CNC technology, everything is automated. The machine follows a pre-designed digital file, which tells it exactly how to cut, carve, drill, or shape the material. This not only saves time, but also ensures perfect consistency in every product. The process starts with designing. Engineers or designers create a 2D or 3D model using CAD software. After that, the design is converted into machine-readable code, often called G-code. This code is then uploaded to the CNC machine. Once the program is set, the machine begins its operation. It moves along multiple axes, usually X, Y, and Z, to cut the material precisely. In woodworking factories, CNC machines are widely used to cut wood panels, create detailed carvings, and produce furniture parts like doors, cabinets, and decorative designs. One of the biggest advantages of CNC machines is accuracy. Even the smallest detail can be replicated perfectly, again and again. This makes it ideal for mass production. Another benefit is speed. What used to take hours manually can now be completed in minutes. Safety is also improved because operators do not need to directly handle cutting tools. The machine does most of the work automatically, reducing the risk of injury. There are different types of CNC machines used in woodworking, including CNC routers, CNC milling machines, and CNC laser cutters. Each type is designed for specific tasks, but all operate using the same basic principle of computer control.